In the prosperous epoch of the powerful state, under the leadership of this president, our motherland successfully develops and prospers. Great is the merit of Turkmen women in preserving the ancient and wonderful traditions and customs, the richest cultural heritage of the Turkmen people to this day. The craft of felt made of the Turkmen people, which goes back centuries, is known as one of the values of decorative and applied arts. Turkmen women in their carpets and felts are images that have absorbed the wisdom of the Turkmen people, which have preserved to this day. Keçe is one of the household decorations that occupy an important place in the life of the people. Turkmen felts are a decoration of dwellings. Felts attract attention with their beauty, softness, warmth, pleasantness. In ancient times, our grandmothers and great-grandmothers waved carpets, prepared dowry, and created felt mats, inviting each other to the traditional ume. Neighbors, girls, and daughters-in-law gathered in a joyful atmosphere. They performed Lale verses, competed among themselves, and combed their yarn. In Turkmen carpets and felts, which attract attention with their special beauty, one can see natural patterns and ornaments that have absorbed the warmth of the hands and arts of our grandmothers and great-grandmothers, girls and daughters-in-law. As the ancient Turkmen saying, craftsmanship of hands walks the world, says the handicraft of Turkmen women, which has turned into a legend, has now gained wide popularity. Even in the early times, products made from felt men occupied an important place in the lives of our grandmothers and great-grandmothers. Felt production has improved over the centuries. Poached keçe are the decoration of our places, houses, white yurts, and terraces. Various patterns were applied to the surface of the keçe. In the household products from felt mat are widely used. As scientists know, at the beginning, the craftswomen began to create keçe with the rugs, then the art of carpet weaving arose. But comfortable and pleasant felts occupy the first place in terms of use in the household. White yurts were wrapped with felt mats for installation purposes. They were laid on the floor. Horses were covered with them. They were also laid when guests came, but mostly they were used to lay them on the floor. Keçe are divided into two types, with bright patterns and without patterns. The ornaments that decorate the felts resemble the forms of various plants growing on the Turkmen land. They reflect the different historical periods. Turkmen women used natural dyes for dyeing wool, which were distinguished by their stability and brightness of color. All these plants grow on the Turkmen land. Turkmen felts decorated with bright and beautiful ornaments have absorbed the unique beauty of the nature of Turkmenistan. These beautiful felts, being the products of magical art, preserve the beauty of the beautiful nature in spite of the season. For the manufacture of felts, special natural dyes are used, like carpet yarns. Felted wool is dyed with various natural dyes, pomegranate peels, madder, and hazelnuts. Since ancient times, our grandmothers and great-grandmothers have created various types of felts. Among them are aqueductlu keçe, Guidyun keçe, Namadık keçe, Gultuz keçe. Felt mats are an adornment of Turkmen houses. It occupies a special place among the ancient values of the people. Felts have a beneficial effect on the human body. They are ecologically clean, very useful for human health. Since ancient times, the Turkmen people have used pure wool to treat joint diseases. Beautiful mats made of wool dyed with natural dyes surprise everyone with their brightness and durability. The prosperity of the powerful state, high goals are being achieved by the tireless care of the same president and all spheres of the country. At the same time, the work aimed at the development of the national heritage and culture will be improved every day. Beautiful felts decorated with various ornaments and created by the skillful hands of our grandmothers and great-grandmothers have decorated the white houses of the Turkmen people.
Türkmen halkının özçülerden özçülere alıp barayan Hormatly Prezidentimiz
Under the wise leadership of the same president, great success is being achieved in all spheres of the country's life. Under the guidance of the same president, we teach our young generation the subtleties of our craft inherited by our grandmothers and great-grandmothers. Today, there are many types of felts. The felt is made from sheep's wool. Sheep wool is very beneficial for human health. Various types of felts are made from the wool of Tharzoin. After clipping, the spring coat must be combed and dried. To create flowers on the felt, you have to paint it in different colors. These colors are derived from different types of plants. It takes a lot of time and patience to create a mat. Our grandmothers and great-grandmothers have been creating mats since ancient times. We create all kinds of felts with the whole family.
boyandan soň guurutmaly ýene guurdandan soň darakda daramaly, darandan soň pişgetmeli, pişgedenden soň keçäni güllemeli, gülleriň arasynda ak ýüňlerden goýup çykmaly, tary içýarlaryny doldurup çykmaly, soň onu ýüzlemeli.
We'd like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to the same president for creating such wonderful opportunities. I wish the same president sound health, long life, and success in all endeavors.
Şeriatda alyp barýan işlerinde rewaçlyklar arzuw edýär.
Feldcraft, having turned into a melody of the soul of Turkmen craftswomen, was an indispensable item for decorating every home. These products were carefully preserved, and the traditional methods of their creation were passed on from generation to generation. The bravery born of the natural talent of Turkmen women goes back to the distant centuries, and the prosperous epoch of the powerful state proclaimed by the same president. Ample opportunities have been created for the successful development of the ancient heritage left to us from our grandmothers and great-grandmothers, to the art of carpet weaving, the creation of klims, tara, embroidery patterns using the keshte and kaima methods, as well as the creation of national dresses. Today, Turkmen craftswomen create new carpets, felts, and modern outfits, complementing the national heritage of the Turkmen people.